Sawadee Kat, Delon Serino here, your Filipino expat to Thailand, and I'm back with another video, and I have so many wonderful news to share with you right now. But first of all, I would like to give a quick shout out to our friends at Krungsri Western Union for sponsoring this video. And the second of all is I like to share this wonderful news to Filipinos. Yes, I'm talking to you right there, to Filipinos living here in Thailand, working themselves off to help out with their family. I know every OFW has their own wonderful story with that, but I think one of the hassles of an OFW is sending remittances back home. I know the struggle. I know that there are problems with language barriers. I know there are problems with long lines and queues at the banks and all of those things. That is why today I will be sharing this wonderful trick that I constantly use when I send money back to the Philippines. And you know what's that? Listen up. I will be teaching you how to set up your Krungsri online account today. Are you ready? Let's get it started. So right now I have already my desktop ready, and all I have to do is click on and type on the search browser krungsrimonline.com. That is where we will be going and heading out to have our Krungsri account. So you can see the screen right now. This is what you will be seeing. It's actually in Thai, but there's a tab there that can translate the page back to English form. And if you still don't have your account, it's actually very simple. Just click on the register now button right there. So after you have registered, I think it's just gonna take a few minutes. Just prepare your bank book and the card, and then you're ready to go. After you have done that, type in your username and password on the space below, and then click on sign in. And with that, we're already in our account. So as you can see, it's like there's so many things on the screen right now, but don't you worry, we will do it step by step. As you can see on your screen right now, we have I think 3 parts. So the one on the leftmost corner, we have the middle page, and the one on the right side. So all you have to do if you want to send money through Western Union, just scroll down a little bit further, and then you can see the Western Union tab. Click on that tab and you can see the word register, send money, receive money, and sending status. So the first thing you want to do is to register a family member who will be receiving your money back in the Philippines. So all you have to do is click on register, and once you have that register, you just have to agree on the first page, and then up next is to enter the profile. So if this is the first time you're registering a family member, the first thing that will come up is all of these data, your personal information. I know I'll be blurring all of these out. Of course, I don't want to show all of my personal data. I know the internet. So all you have to do is click on and then submit everything, have all details checked. But the most important thing that you have to do is have a sending transaction. What's this? This is actually the person who will be receiving your money back in the Philippines. Fill out the name, fill out the last name, the currency, of course, you're sending in the Philippines, so that should be in peso. So you have to look for PHP. Where's the Philippine peso, right? Okay, I can't find it. PHP. Okay, I have to do it manually. There's PHP, and then the destination country, of course, that's the Philippines, and then click submit. And then after you submit that, you'll be receiving an OTP, a one-time PIN through your phone, and then you have to enter that, and that's it. You have a family member registered to receive back in the Philippines. So right now we are back to the main menu on Krungsri Online's website, and now I'll be teaching you how to send money through Western Union back to the Philippines. All you have to do is click on Western Union on the left column of the screen, find Western Union there, and click on send money. Once you click on send money, you're gonna see this option. You're gonna see 4 steps: terms and conditions, transaction, confirm, and then complete. All you have to do here is to click on agree. After you click on agree is you will be sent to the transaction tab of the Western Union page. All you have to do here now is choose through your sending currency on what or how much you want to send. It will be in baht or in Philippine peso. So actually Krungsri is already solving the math for you. So if you want to send it in Philippine peso already, all you have to do is click on PHP or Philippine peso. Or if you want to send it through in Thai baht, but of course they're going to receive it in peso, or the value is actually computed from Thailand back to the Philippines. Does that make sense? And then if that makes sense, then you type on your amount. Let's say example 10,000 pesos. So click on the next one, purpose of sending transaction. You can answer with any of these: educational expense, family expense, income repatriation, or travel expense. Choose one. I'll just choose income repatriation. Do you need to receive this transaction notification? Click on yes, and you can see your mobile number right there. There's an SMS to mobile phone number, and you'll be receiving your OTP through your number. Click on submit, and once that is submitted to, you're gonna be receiving a sending details summary on who will be receiving, how much the value is, and even the exchange rate is written down there. What's next for this one is you will be receiving an OTP on your phone. Send in and type in the OTP form and send confirm. It's actually that easy. You don't have to do anything than that. And that is it with this wonderful video from Krungsri. Once again, I would like to give a huge shout out to our sponsor today. It's Krungsri Western Union. And if you have other concerns and you're having more problems than the usual problems that I have when registering or sending money through Krungsri Western Union, all you have to do is call the number right there below. I will be posting that number for everybody to see, and at least there's an agent of Krungsri Western Union willing to help you with your transactions. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you like this video and if this was helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya, bye.